everybody. Welcome to How to Make Your Wife Happy and Healthy, Kitchen Gadget Edition. Today, I'm going to take a very popular kitchen gadget and show you how to make a very easy, quick, simple, tasty, and beautiful dish that works every single time. No fuss, no mess. You want to know what that is? Come on, everybody. Let's get cooking. Today we're looking at one of America's top new favorite kitchen gadgets. It's called a multi-pot, or in our case we're using the Mealthy version. There's also Instant Pot and way many others out there, but it is a fryer, it is a steamer, it is a pressure cooker, as well as a slow cooker. All these all in one wonderful gadget. Today we're going to use eggs, showing you how to hard boil eggs using the steaming function. Or in our case, it has an egg button, which makes them fast, easy, no mess, no fuss, perfect every time. Here are the ingredients. 1 cup of water. However many eggs you want to hard boil. In our case today, we're going to hard boil 4 of them. 1 Mealthy MultiPot 9-in-1 Programmable Pressure Cooker, 6 quarts with stainless steel pot, steamer basket, instant access to recipe app. Available at Amazon.com. Today's shout out goes to Amazon.com. Thanks Amazon.com for always being there to provide me with materials and supplies that I can use in my kitchen on the cheap. If you want to find how to shout out my next video, stay tuned to the end and find out how. You can see we got our Mealthy all ready to go. It's got the switch here that's going to keep the steam inside to make the pressure. You put it this direction, the pressure will be in there. You put it this way, we're going to vent it in the end. We've also got the red button. Very important, you see that red button. It's going to pop up when the steam has built up pressure, and it's going to pop back down when it has released its pressure. And you'll also notice that it is currently unplugged. It's a great way to start with your Mealthy. Keep it unplugged until you're ready to start. So we're going to open it up. For steaming, we're going to use the steam grate that comes with the Mealthy pot. So you're going to have to open it up like so, put it in, and make sure the edges are on the side. Having this in the basket is going to help you ensure that whatever is inside is going to steam and it's not going to boil. Now it's time to add in the water and eggs. Take a 1 cup of water, pour it right in. We've got our 4 raw eggs. Gonna set them in, leaving space. Now, honestly, I could put in 6 before I put in 8. Maybe you can put in 12 if you're really adventurous. And there you go. You got your eggs in. Got the water in. Now we're going to put the multi lid on top and turn it to lock it. Once that is finished, we are now going to plug it in. Once I plug it in, the lights are going to start. Plug it in, the lights come on the panel. Let me show you the panel now. I'll come back up for the steam button. But we're going to use the egg setting. The egg button is right over here. We're going to put it on to egg, high, normal, 5 minutes. Let it sit for 20 seconds. It's going to start beeping, and then it will start. As it is on, the pressure is going to build up. When the pressure is fully built up, that button is going to pop. So I'm going to push it back up so you can watch the button pop. When you're looking for this red button right here, it's going to pop. When that button pops, the 5-minute timer will start. So while your Mealthy is cooking your eggs, you can make something like Cobb salad while your eggs are going, or get ready for your chicken salad sandwich, whatever you're going to use those hard-boiled eggs for. After about 3 to 4 minutes, you should hear the steam building up. If you look closely, you can see the steam escaping the vent. The button's moving. And pop. There you go. Button has popped up. Take a look at the Mealthy. It's sensing the popping up. It's getting ready to switch. Now it's filled its pressure, it has switched to the 5-minute timer. Timer is the important part right here. Okay, now that the steam part in the pressure cooker has finished, it's going to slowly release the pressure on its own. It's going to keep it on keep warm until you're ready to turn it off or unplug it. And we're going to wait and watch until this little red knob goes back down. At that point, that's a good time to be able to rest, take your eggs out, put them in some nice cold water to cool them off so you can peel them, and they'll be ready to go. So I'll be back in about 6 minutes when the button is popped down again. If you notice, the button just popped down, so that means we are ready to do the steam release. So there might be some steam left over, so we're going to do the release button. Oh, no steam was left inside. So the eggs are ready and they are nice and hot. Take it off. So you can see the water was steaming. You can see a little bit of bubbles from the water there still. Now we're going to take out the eggs. I am going to use a cold water bath so that I can peel them. If your hands are used to heat, you don't need to do that. You can just take it and peel it as is. But I need my cold water bath. So at this point, you definitely want to either unplug it, like I'm going to do, or you're going to turn it off. I like the unplugged version better. Everything turns off that way. What?
I hear the rain. It's raining outside.
Why don't you go check?
I did on the patio. I see raindrops.
Oh, okay, good.
Yay!
Some days I use ice. Today, just regular tap water. Gotta cool them off, get them ready to touch. 1, 2, 3. This one cracked it when cooking. Matter. There you go. Submerged into regular room temperature water. We're gonna let those sit for about 2 minutes, and then I'll peel one and cut it open so you can see what it looks like inside. Okay, this egg is officially cooled to the touch now. So I'm gonna crack it open. Let's see what it looks like inside. From here, we're going to cut it open very soon. Rinse it off in the water. Let's do another one. Let's open them all. Easy to peel. You can see right there. Just one big nice peel. No mess, no fuss at all. I usually like to crack the small end because usually the egg yolk is hiding at the bottom end. And if you crack the small end, you'll less likely run into difficulty of peeling the egg white away from the yolk. Easy to peel. One more to go. This one is already cracked. Still easy to peel. There we go. 4 eggs ready to eat. I'm now zoomed into the 4 eggs. Rinse them off also in a little bit of water. You can see when you cut it open. A very nice and perfectly well done egg yolk. Beautifully done. Look at that. No browning on the edge yet. Perfectly cooked, hard-boiled egg. These eggs are perfectly done, easy, no fuss, every single time, comes out perfect. But don't take my word for it. Take the word of this random stranger off the street.
It tastes like a regular boiled egg.
Since you've made it this far, go ahead and steam that like button just like we steam some hard-boiled eggs. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to be notified of all my new videos that come out on Mondays. And just a message to those who do not watch this part of the video, go ahead and type in the word Instapot into your comment down below for a chance to shout out in my next video. Thanks for watching. Have a happy and healthy day.